Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook A1502. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MacBook A1502 is getting excessively hot and struggling to cool down, you're not alone. This common issue can stem from dust accumulation in the vents, a failing fan, or thermal paste that has dried up. If left unresolved, it can lead to significant damage to your device, affecting performance and potentially causing hardware failures. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools, a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic spudger, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, a lint-free cloth, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. First, let's open your MacBook safely. Make sure to power it down completely and unplug all cables. Using your precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the bottom case. Remember to keep track of the screws as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom case, taking care not to damage any clips. Now that we have access to the internals, the next step is to locate the cooling fan. It's usually positioned near the heat sink. Examine the fan for dust buildup. If it looks dirty, you can use the compressed air to blow it clean. If the fan isn't spinning properly, it may need replacing. To extract the fan, disconnect the cables gently and remove the screws securing it in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage nearby components. When installing the new fan, ensure that you connect the cable securely and replace the screws to hold it in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, check the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. If it appears dried out, clean it off with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the chip surfaces before reassembling. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the bottom case and secure it with the screws. Finally, power up your MacBook and monitor the temperatures. If it's running cooler, you've successfully tackled the overheating issue. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean your MacBook's vents and fan. It's also wise to keep it on a hard, flat surface to ensure proper airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.